I am Jackie Chan. I was born in Hong Kong. My family was very poor. I lived in a big school. My life was very hard. My teachers were very strict. I learned martial arts there. I also learned to sing. I wanted to be an actor. I started in the movies. I did my own difficult stunts. I loved to fight on film. I went to America later. I wanted to make movies. I needed to learn English. My journey was not easy. People knew me in Asia. In America, they did not. I was a new person there. I had to start all over. I faced many new problems. The culture was very new. The language was a challenge. I did not understand much. I had to be strong. I had to try very hard. These are my life lessons. I want to share with you. My dream was to act. I wanted to make great films. I am happy now. My story can help you. I was a young stuntman. I made many mistakes. I missed my timing once. I fell down very hard. My arm was very sore. I felt very, very bad. I learned from my mistake. I was more careful next time. I did not give up. I tried the stunt again. I did it much better now. I was happy with the result. Making mistakes is normal. You will make them a lot. This is how you grow. Do not be afraid of them. You will say things wrong. You will use wrong words. People will still understand you. Do not let this stop you. Every mistake is a lesson. You learn something new. You get better little by little. So, smile and keep trying. This is lesson 10. Embrace your mistakes. They are part of learning. You can get better from them. I learned this from my stunts. I used it for my English. It helped me to speak. It can help you too. I went to Hollywood. I did not speak English well. I could not talk to people. I needed a lot of help. I found a good friend. He helped me with my words. He told me what to say. I practiced with him a lot. Asking for help is good. You can't do it alone. Find a friend or a teacher. They can help you learn more. I asked many questions. I did not know much. I wanted to understand. My friends always helped me. It is okay not to know. It is good to ask for help. You learn a lot this way. People want to help you. Do not feel shy. Do not feel embarrassed. Just say, "Can you help?" Most people will say yes. This is lesson 9. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It is a very good step. Help makes your journey easy. I am not shy now. I talk to many people. I know how to get help. I learned to ask for help. I trained martial arts. I trained for many hours. I did the same moves. I practiced them every day. My body got very strong. My mind got very strong. I did not give up. This was my daily routine. Learning a language is the same. You must practice every day. You must speak every day. You must listen every day. Read a book in English. Watch a movie in English. Write some sentences down. Try to use new words. Small steps every day. They become big steps. They become big success. You will see big progress. My teacher said to me, "Practice makes perfect." This is very, very true. It works for everything. This is lesson 8. Practice every day. It is simple but important. It makes you very good. I still practice today. I speak English every day. It is part of my life. This is a good habit. People wanted a new star. They said, "Be like Bruce Lee." I was not like Bruce Lee. I was a different person. Bruce Lee was very serious. He was very strong and fast. I was a clown and funny. I used comedy in my fights. I used my own style. I used my personality. I did my own crazy stunts. This made my movies special. You have your own style. Do not try to be someone else. Speak with your own voice. This is your special thing. Your English will be different. You will sound unique. That is a good thing. Be proud of who you are. It is important to be you. You are a special person. You have a special voice. Show it to the world. My life is so much fun. I can be my true self. I do not have to pretend. This is a great freedom. This is lesson 7. Be yourself. This is a powerful lesson. Makes your work unique. I stopped trying to be someone else. I was finally just me. My fans loved the real me. It was a good feeling. I went to Peking Opera School. It was a special school. My teachers were very good. They taught me so much. They were masters of their art. They showed me the right way. They corrected my mistakes. They helped me become better. Learning a language is the same. A good teacher is a guide. They show you what to do. They help you with new words. You can find a good teacher. Maybe a friend can teach you. Maybe a book can teach you. Maybe a video can teach you. A good teacher is a treasure. They can answer your questions. They give you the right path. They make learning simple. My teachers gave me discipline. They gave me confidence. They were always there for me. I am grateful for them. Their lessons stay with me. I still think of their advice. My teachers helped me grow. I am a student for life. This is lesson 6. Find a good teacher. They will help you a lot. They will make you stronger. I learned so much from my teachers. This lesson is with me. It is always in my heart. It is a lifelong lesson. I used everyday objects. I used a chair in a fight. I used a ladder in a fight. I used a table in a fight. My movies were very special. I used what was around me. I was creative and smart. I used everything I knew. You can do this too. Use what you already know. Use the words you have. Make new sentences with them. You have some English words. Use them as building blocks. You can create new phrases. Try to make new ideas. It is okay if it is simple. Start with what you have. You will get more words later. You will build a new world. Do not wait for perfection. Just start building now. Use all of your tools. You have more than you think. Simple tools work great. A small rock can be a tool. Your simple words can work. They can create big things. This is lesson 5. Use what you know. You have a lot of words. They are waiting for you. I used my body in my films. I used my simple English. Both became very useful. Just keep on using them. I went to America. My first movies were not good. They did not make money. I was very sad and tired. I went back to Hong Kong. I made a new kind of film. It became a huge success. I came back to Hollywood later. It was a long time. I had to wait patiently. I had to try again later. Success does not come fast. Learning English is the same. It takes a long time. You need to be patient. You cannot learn in one day. Be proud of small progress. You learned a new word. You made a new friend. These are big things. Do not give up now. Your time will come soon. Just keep working hard. You will get there someday. Believe in the process. Believe in your own path. Trust that you are growing. You are always improving. This is lesson 4. Patience is key. Wait for your moment. Continue every day. I waited for many years. Then a big chance came. I was ready for it. My hard work paid off. I am on a movie set. People talk very fast. I must listen very carefully. I listen to their words. I want to understand them. I listen with my heart. I listen with my ears. I focus on their meaning. Language is not just speaking. It is also about listening. You must hear how they speak. You must hear their rhythm. Listen to a song in English. Listen to a movie in English. Listen to a news program. Try to catch some words. Listen more than you speak. This is a simple rule. You will learn a lot. You will get the sounds right. Listening helps you learn. It makes you smarter. It gives you new words. It is a good habit. Watch a person's face. Look at their hands. Body language tells a lot. This also helps you understand. This is lesson 3. Listen more than you speak. You will understand others. You will learn many new things. I still listen to people. I still learn new things. This lesson is always with me. It is a lifelong lesson. My first movies in America, I was afraid to speak. My English was not perfect. I was afraid of mistakes. People said, "Just speak. Your English is good enough." I stopped being so scared. I started to talk more. It is okay if it is not perfect. No one is perfect. Just try your best. Your best is good enough. Focus on your message. Focus on what you want to say. Do not worry about the words. The meaning is most important. Speak with confidence. Speak with a big smile. People will understand you. Your heart will speak. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about the words. Just let them come out. Your voice is important. Action is more important. Say what you need to say. Do not let fear stop you. Just speak and you will be fine. This is lesson 2. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak from your heart. Your message is important. I am not perfect now, but I can communicate. I can speak to anyone. I am not afraid anymore. I wanted to quit once. My movies were not big. I was not famous. I was tired of failing. I looked at my family. I looked at my friends. I thought about my dreams. I decided to keep going. I went back to work. I trained even harder. I worked on new ideas. I never, ever gave up. You cannot give up. Never stop your journey. Continue every day. You will get there soon. This is my most important lesson. It is the heart of my life. This lesson is for everything. It is for you and for me. Learning English is a journey. It is a very long journey. There are hard days, but there are good days. You will fall down. You must get up again. Just take one more step. You can do it, I know. This is the great feeling. You reached your big goal. You worked for a long time. You know you can do anything. This is lesson 1. Never, ever give up. This is the number 1 rule. It is the key to success. I am here today. My dream came true. Your dream can come true. Just keep going, my friend. What is your favorite part? Which lesson helps you most? How will you use Jackie's story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Keep moving. Learn every day. Be brave, work hard, succeed.